In today's video, I'm going to break down how to get paid for listening to YouTube music. You can be making money every single day, hour, and even minute with this killer money-making strategy for pretty much everyone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need to have any specific knowledge, experience, or skills. All you're going to need is your device, an internet connection, and the instructions within this video, because I'm going to be laying everything out step by step so that you don't even have to worry about the hard work. We've done the research for you. So all you have to do is pay close attention over the next few money-making minutes of this short video, and you'll be raking in the cash, especially with the handy little tips and tricks that I'll be dropping along the way. Just before we dive into our method for today though, please be sure to show us some love and appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on, because trust me, you don't want to miss out whenever we upload amazing videos on how to make money online using the best possible methods. Also, please don't hesitate to let us know any thoughts or questions that you might have during this video in the comment section below. We love hearing from all of you guys. Now, let's cut to the chase. The first website that we're going to be using is Current, where you'll be rewarded for playing music. Pay attention, because I'm going to be showing you a couple of applications that you can download for free on your phone, and then I'll be showing you a real-life example of how to do this, including how to play music, which music you should play, and bonus tips that can help you make more money. Now, when you go to their main page, you'll find a section that says, I want to earn a reward while I'm running. You can do it when you're running, working, or sleeping, and you can still earn money by letting the music play in the background. This application is now available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. If you're using an Android phone, this is the logo of the program. Earn cash and money reward current music screen. Make sure you download the correct app. So, this application has 4.4 stars out of 100,000 reviews, which is excellent. Now, this is on the Google Play Store, and then you can get the same application on your iPhone directly on the App Store. Before I show you a real-life example on my account of how to play music and also how to choose the best music that will pay you the most money, I want to show you that they have over 100,000 radio stations, and one of them is YouTube. You can now play music online or even while you're offline, and you don't have to spend anything to get started with this application. It's completely free, and you can earn points by playing your favorite music, which you can then convert into real money. Once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play or App Store, you'll head to the radio station, which is YouTube Music. Now, when you log into your account, you'll see something like this. Pay close attention, since this is one of the ways to make money while playing music. I'll teach you two other ways to make money while playing music. This is a YouTube Music homepage, and if you scroll down below, you'll see that there's a lot of music, playlists, artists, and also a lot of recommended music that you can choose from. When you combine these two applications, you can make profit on complete autopilot mode, as I'll show you in a moment. Now, let me show you an example of one of the playlists that I pay a lot of attention to. With playlists, I can have loads of songs queued up, and I can constantly add more songs to the playlist. Once this music, for example, this song, has completed playing for 3 minutes and 31 seconds, you can automatically move on to the next song, and so on, and they'll automatically play all the music, and I'll be paid for every song. When I hover my mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner, I can turn on the repeat button, which means that once this playlist finishes playing from song number 1 to the last song, it will automatically jump back to the first song and repeat the entire playlist so that I can make more money over and over again. The bonus tip I'd want to give you is to make sure that you queue up a lot of music. As you can see, I have approximately 20 songs queued up so that I can make money faster. The second tip I'm going to give you is that when you go to the homepage, you'll see this hot list where you can see the higher quality and more recommended videos, as well as music videos that you can watch. Again, I highly recommend you choose one of these videos, because they'll pay you more money than the current ones. Pay close attention, because YouTube will not pay you a dime. You need to be using Current to get paid. You can also sync your YouTube music with Current so that when you play music on YouTube, you'll get paid. This is the first method for you to play music and earn money. The second method I want to show you right now is one you're probably already familiar with if you watch YouTube videos every day. You're currently watching YouTube, but did you know that you can play videos such as this playlist right here? You can also listen to music playlists such as this one for an hour, and then make money by simply repeating and simply listening to all of these songs right here. This is a true example that I'm giving you right now. As you can see, I'm opening 3 tabs. You can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer, but right now I'm doing it from my PC. This is the first tab on my Google Chrome browser. I'll open another new tab to listen to more music, and I'll open a third browser to listen to more music. So right now, as you can see, I'm listening to 3 different music playlists, number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is another extra tip. Open multiple tabs and try to listen to as much music as possible to earn money again and again. Here are some more words of advice that can help you make even more money. Number 1, when you go to YouTube, you should look for songs or videos that are at least 1 hour long, because the longer the song is, the more money you'll make. The next tip is that when you go to the settings button and click on here, you want to double the speed, since by default, the speed will be normal. When you want to double the speed, just double right click on here. You can see the playback speed is 2, which means you can play the music twice as quickly, which means the more music you listen to, the more money you make. Now, I'm going to give you another tip, which is to turn down the quality to 144p, which means that if you have a slow internet connection, or if you have a lot of people sharing internet or Wi-Fi with you, you can still play the music efficiently. You need to reduce the quality so that it doesn't consume your internet. You can do other things like watch other videos or do your own thing and still play without pausing. Make sure you link your YouTube radio station to the current music application. When you connect these two, you can play them using the second method, which I'm showing you right now on the YouTube platform, or the first method, which I'm showing you right now on the YouTube Music platform. You can use one of these ways, but I'd like to show you the final bonus tip right now. I'd like to show you this new Google Chrome extension. As you can see here, YouTube Playback Speed Control, which you can download and use on your computer or phone. It's completely free. They have over 80,000 users, and if you download the Google Chrome browser, you can play it on your phone at 3 times the normal speed, while the maximum speed on YouTube is just 2 times. You can modify the speed of your YouTube playback using the keyboard in the upper right-hand corner. You can increase the playback speed by using the plus button or reduce it by pressing the minus button. When you download this extension, you can make a lot more money since you can play music on both the YouTube and YouTube Music platforms much faster. So all you have to do now is go to the Google Play Store and download this app. Or if you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store and get the current Rewards offline music app. And that's it. So that pretty much wraps up today's method of making money online using YouTube. If you've learned something new today, then be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded another brand new money-making video on how to make money online. Whether you choose to do these strategies as a side hustle or you choose to jump into it and make it a full-time gig, there's no doubt that you're going to get one step closer to your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see